Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back to show you how I interlocked my mom's locks and my locks. Using a latch hook is the typical method to interlock, but in this video I'm using a tool by Loclicious and it made the whole process so much easier and faster. So much easier and so much faster, guys. I can't emphasize that enough. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see how my interlocking held up after an intense gym session and after I washed my locks. So my mom's locks are freshly washed and now I'm sealing in the moisture with my horsetail leaf growth oil. Check my description box on where to purchase, okay? Now, I grab my Loclicious tool and insert the end of the lock into the hole. Then I pull the lock into the slit to secure the lock in place. I made sure that I wrapped any loose hairs around the lock so that it stays in the lock, and I begin to interlock. Now this method is highly recommended for people with textures like my mom's. I would say she has about 3C hair. Yeah, 3C. But of course, anyone from any texture can definitely use the interlocking method. From straight hair, curly hair, coily hair, and kinky hair. Doesn't matter. My hair is coily and kinky, and this method works great with me. So, yeah. Typically, when interlocking, you're told to go north, south, east, west, but my mom doesn't like her locks interlocked too tightly, so I go side to side, then up and down. Don't speed through the process because you want to keep the integrity of your parts. Plus, you don't want to accidentally interlock a lock into a neighboring lock, okay? I've done that years ago when I used a latch hook, and yeah, I ended up marrying a lock. Didn't want to do that. I didn't want to do that. So, yeah, you live and learn, right? And one thing about this tool that's really great is how it's shaped. You definitely can use the end of the tool to help part your hair if you need to part your hair and, you know, help choose what strands go into what lock. So that's another perk of the Loclicious tool. So I repeated the process for all of my mom's locks and here are her results. Now I'll be interlocking my locks. You can imagine, I'm sure, that this is twice as difficult to do on your own head, so take your time. No matter how long it takes, trust me, it's way faster than using a latch hook. For some of my locks, I went through 4 times if I had enough loose roots to accommodate pulling my lock through. But for the most part, I didn't feel like I had enough new growth to accommodate 4 times, so I just went through twice for the most part, like I did for my mom. Sometimes it was difficult to pull through, but wiggling helps. You'll find your rhythm. I definitely recommend this tool to locticians or lock stylists who want to more quickly interlock their clients' locks. I recommend this tool to people who want to interlock themselves as well. So I finished on Tuesday. This was Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, I was in a hair show. I was a hair model for Natural Hollywood, at Natural Hollywood on Instagram, at Raw Artists Holiday Rock Show. So my hair went through it. And today's Friday. I had a super intense workout with my personal trainers and I sweat so much, y'all. It was disgusting. So I had to wash my hair immediately. And here are my results. My parts are still very defined and visible. Just imagine if I did 4 pull-throughs instead of 2. It will be even neater. But I'm satisfied with this. This is all I need for my day-to-day. I'm so happy I can wash my hair more often now, especially since I'm going to the gym more. I'm seeing my personal trainers more. So this is definitely needed for me. This was a success, don't you think? The Loclicious tool is available on Amazon, so order ASAP. Because you'll get free infinity head wraps with your order during the holiday season, okay? So order now. Now, check below for the direct link to purchase, okay? Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.